can be used for the chain pull block, it can be used for chain electric hoist, and it can be used for the any drive purpose. And this is, in this case, it is a 2-ton capacity gear trolley. This is 2-ton capacity gear trolley. We have this gear wheel. Here we have pinion, and this another gear wheel, and this is the pinion shaft, and this is the engine wheel. This is the fully powder coated parts are there. This washers and this load axle. This is also plated gold. This is plated gearbox. These parts are there. This hand chain, this hand chain wheel. This is the hand chain. This hand chain is also plated, and we have this plain wheel and the gear wheel. This is also plated, and this trolley. Now I will show you how to adjust the flange width of the trolley. We have the same procedure for gear trolley and push pull trolley. And the gear trolley, we have the washers, idler washers here, this side, both side, on both the load axles. Here also we have this idle washers are there, and we have to adjust these washers inside so that we have to maintain the I-beam or girder beam size, and we have to mount that trolley on the beam as per the beam size. I will show you how to assemble the trolley on I-beam. This is the I-beam of the any crane or the girder, where the customer want to assemble this trolley, and this is called the beam size of the trolley. This is the beam size of the, this is 200 ISMB 200 beam. Now what we require for mounting the trolley is the flange width of the trolley. We have to check first our flange width of the trolley, where the trolley is mounted, whether it is on the crane or any girder. Now I will check the flange width of the this I-beam. The flange width of the I-beam is, in this case, it is 100. If the I-beam of the any girder or any crane, if it is, now it is 100, in this case we have to make this trolley size 104 or 105. We have to make this size of the trolley up to 105 or 104, so that it is freely moving on the I-beam of the any crane or girder. This trolley, in this case, it is a I-beam is 8-degree taper. This is the straight one, but our trolley there's a particular shape. It has straight as well as curved surface, that it can be moved on the both the surface. So our trolley is suitable for the I-beam, tapered I-beam as well as the flat I-beam. Okay, now we will make this adjustment of the trolley. We have this extra washers on this load axle. Here also some extra washers on the load axle. Now see, this is the flange width of the trolley. It should be the 4 to 5 millimeters extra than flange width of the I-beam. So it has to be adjusted. This washer should be kept inside, equal washers on the both the side. We have to remember that this washer should be, the equal washers should be on the both side of the load axle. So now this is, beam size is say it is now 85. Then and our this I-beam is 100. So 15 millimeter washers will have to put inside on the both side. In this case, we'll remove 3 washers from this side, total 6 washers from this side, and 3 washers will put this side and 3 washers on this side. So accordingly on the both load axles, we have to put the equal number of washers. So I am adjusting this according to the beam size of the trolley. This is 2-ton Indef M trolley. We have mounted on the I-beam, keeping this equal number of washers inside. We have taken these washers from the extra washers that we have to keep both the side equal number of washers on the both the load axles. Now our trolley is ready to move. Now we will hang this chain pulley block on the, we'll suspend this chain pulley block on this hook to the trolley.